Okay. So, good day everyone. My name is Rusty JR DK Ilaw and my member is Romel Diaz. So, today, i-discuss natin is all about operating system, history and evolution. So, let's start. So, introduction to operating system. So, ang operating system or ang OS is a system software that manage computer hardware, software resources, and provide common services for computer programs. So, meron din siya mga key functions such as process management, memory management, file system management, device management, security and access control management. And then, let's start for history of operating systems. So, noong una is noong 1994, so no operating system. So, dito, meron siyang early computers were programmed at yung ginagamit pala dito na na sa operating system na to is punch card and wala siyang operating system talaga. So, meron din siyang programs were written in machine language. So, ito yung mga 0 and 1. So, 1950s naman, so batch processing system, dito na na-introduce yung Simple OS to automate job sequencing. So, example dito is yung input-output General Motors and North American Aviation. So, next naman is yung noong 1960s. So, dito na nag-start yung multi-programming and time sharing. So, meron ng OS allowed to multiple So, noong 1960s, so multi-programming and time sharing. So, dito na inalaw ng operating system yung mga multiple programs to run simultaneously. So, pwede na mag-run ng mga multiple programs and then compatible na rin siya for time sharing system. So, noong 1970s, so dito na yung Unix and personal computers. So dito na nag-start yung mga personal computers. So Unix operating system so na-develop na dito at Bell Labs. So dito na nag-start or yung birth ng personal computers, LED2 OS like CP-M. So, noong 1980s naman, dito na nag-umpisa yung mga graphical user interface or GUI. So, meron na siyang mga color and then meron na siyang desktop environment. So, example dito is yung kay Apple Macintosh and yung Microsoft Windows na inintroduce yung GUI. So noong 1990s naman, so dito na uh, nag-modernize yung operating system. So, nandito na yung mga Windows 95, Linux, and Mac OS emerge. So, dito na nag-start yung mga different operating systems. So, noong 2000s naman, dito na evolve into mobile and cloud-based operating system. So, meron na mga Android, iOS, and cloud-based operating system like Chrome operating system. So, next naman is yung type operating system.
Now, let's proceed on types of operating system. Types of operating system. First is the batch operating system. The jobs of batch operating system are executed in batches. And next is multitasking operating system, which allows multiple programs to run simultaneously. And next is real-time operating system. It used for real-time applications like robotics and embedded system. Next would be the distributed operating system. It manages a group of independent computers as a single system. Next is network operating system. It manages network resources and provides shared access. Next operating system is mobile operating system. As the name itself, it designs for smartphones and tablets such as Android and iOS. Next would be the key components of an operating system. First is the kernel. Kernel, the core component that manages system resources and hardware communication. Next is the user interface or the UI. There are two types of UI, command line interface or CLI. Next is the graphical user interface, which has the graphical um, interface of the user. Next is the system libraries. It provides essential functions to applications. Next is the system and utilities. It is the tools for system maintenance and configuration. Next would be the popular operating systems. First is the Windows itself, developed by Microsoft, widely used in PCs. Mac OS, developed by Apple, used in Mac computers. Next is Linux, open source OS, popular for servers and deployment. Next would be the Android. Uh, Mobile OS developed by Google. iOS, mobile OS developed by Apple for iPhones and iPads. Next would be the evolution of operating system. First evolution is from command line to GUI, transition from text-based interfaces to graphical interfaces. Next is from standalone to network system integrations of network capabilities, from single user to multi-user system, support for multiple users and tasks. Next is from local to cloud-based system, shifts towards cloud computing and virtualization. Next is the challenges in operating system development. First is the security itself, protecting system from malware and unauthorized access. Next is compatibility, ensuring software and hardware work seamlessly. Performance optimization, managing resources efficiently. Next is scalability, supporting growing user and hardware demands. Next is the future of operating system. There are four categories of future of operating system. First is the artificial intelligence integration or OS with built-in AI for smarter resources management. Next is the quantum computing OS, development of OS for quantum computers, enhanced security features, advanced encryption and biometrics authentication. Next is cross-platform compatibility, seamless integration across devices and platforms. And yes, that's all and bye-bye.